Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. Well, guys, via British Council and IDP, they have introduced single module retake on computer delivered IELTS non-UK VI. We have another option which is called EOR, inquiry on results. It is for paper delivered IELTS as well as for computer delivered IELTS. If you're not satisfied with your IELTS result, especially your writing result and your speaking result, and if you think that you were marked badly, you were marked poorly, you don't deserve that low band, your English is far better, okay, then there is one option, we call it inquiry on results. And there is fee for inquiry on results, right? Almost half of IELTS exam fee. And then you can apply inquiry on one module or all 4 modules, right? And fee is same. And once you apply EOR, the result of EOR, the outcome is whether the band score remains same or it increases, but the band score never decreases as a result of EOR. So one of my students, he actually appeared in IELTS exam, and after appearing in IELTS exam, when he got the result, his result was good, but in writing, he was marked 5.5. Now, he was confident because he knew 5.5 and his writing is not capable of getting 5.5. He deserved more. So, on my advice, he decided to go for EOR or inquiry on result. And EOR after 7 to 14 days, total duration of EOR is 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, but usually they announce the result before 3 weeks. So after EOR, his band score changed from 5.5 in writing to 6 band in writing, and he was very happy with that. So see that this is another option which you can use, but let me tell you, your band score in listening and your band score in reading will never improve. Remember that, okay? And writing and speaking band score only improve if you deserve it, right? Sometimes, some students say, okay, I've got half band less, but if I apply for EOR, they will give me extra band because they need money. Not at all. Come on. IELTS is not like this, okay? So you need to be very careful. If you deserve, and if there is a difference between your speaking and writing band, and that difference is, 1 band or 1.5 band, like writing 6, speaking 5, writing 6.5, speaking 5.5, speaking 7, writing 5. If there is a difference like this, then you can consider EOR, but I recommend you, whenever you apply EOR, you need to apply EOR on all 4 modules because the fee is same for 1 module or for all 4 modules, okay? So thank you so very much. EOR details can be obtained from your test center, British Council or IDP. They will tell you how to apply, and within 4 weeks of your result, I guess 3 weeks, within 3 weeks of your result, you have to apply for EOR. After 3 weeks, you cannot get this facility, okay? Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, and we offer IELTS test booking service in Pakistan. And we also offer PTE classes. If you want to get any of these services, you can just contact me on WhatsApp and I'll get back to you with all the details. Thank you so much. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.